Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. You see I have my pink scissors out and that can only mean one thing. It's time to open up some boxes. Now I got a bunch of stuff. Some of it is PR and some of it I purchased. So let's, without any delay, jump right into it and let's unbox some of these goodies. So I also have some of my new beauty stuff from my Freebie Fridays. And if you don't know about that, that is part of my paid membership for baby babes, seasoned babes, and bougie babes. They're all invited. Every Friday, I drop a link to a new freebie as a thank you to my members. I offer it to you as well. All you have to do is click the link once I drop it on Friday afternoons, and then go and pay the shipping and handling, and that product is yours to keep. And really great beauty products to try. And all of them are over the amount that you would pay for your membership. So it's a pretty good added bonus that I drop on Fridays. So if you're interested and you want to try some new beauty products, come on over to BrownGirlBella, hit that paid membership to join, and come on into the Bella Brigade. So here's the first thing that I got, and it is from BioEffect. It is an EFG serum. It is an age-defying serum. Let me bring it in a little closer so you can see. Said to be a revolutionary age-defying serum that significantly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, visibly improves the skin's firmness and density, and restores the skin's youthful radiance. You just apply 2 to 4 drops to the face, neck, and décolleté, morning and night. It is suitable for all skin types. I love that we get this chance to both experience new products together as a part of my paid membership. And I know a lot of my babes really do appreciate it. And when they can get the actual product, they are so happy. So here it is. Oh, I love it. Again, you apply it to the face, the neck, and the décolleté. You can use it morning and night. And we'll have to show this in a Trying New Beauty someday soon. All right, here is the next product. And I don't know what this is, who this is from, so I'm gonna have to open it up. They wrapped it in bubble wrap. Okay. I remember they said they were gonna send this to me. Okay, this is by Shea Moisture. This is the 100% pure Jamaican castor oil. You can use this from head to toe. It is formulated to be a multitasking oil, rich with a unique combination of ultra moisturizing omega-9 fatty acids. It is restorative and a beauty treatment that promotes healthy hair and skin. So you can use this on the skin and you can use this on your hair as well. And it's 100% pure. Here we go. I heard a lot of good things about this. My line sister is Jamaican and she swears by Jamaican castor oil. So I'm excited to try this by Shea Moisture. The next is my wonderful friends at LYS. You know I am a Confidence Crew member, and as such, I get access to some of their new products. If you would like to shop at LYS, I do have a discount code. It is LYSBGB08. So that's LYSBGB08. And with that code, you get 20% off any products not already on sale. So you can actually get these products. Oh my God, I got 2 products. I just looked down in the box and I realized there's 2 products in here. So the first one is something I never tried. It is their Think Deep. This is a pore minimizing detox mask. It has pomegranate and charcoal. And you can use a thin layer on this all over the face or just in the T-zone. You can use it twice a week, leave on for 15 to 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And then you can rinse it warm with warm water. Key ingredients in here are willow bark extract, which helps reduce the appearance of pores and helps with skin's texture and tone. They have bentonite, catiline, and charcoal powder, which gently exfoliates and softens the skin. And then they have pomegranate extract, which is an antioxidant, and it benefits the skin, helping to smooth and replenish. Wow, I am super excited to try this. I didn't even know that they had this on the market, so I love that. And here is the detox. Bring it in so you can see. Super excited. So we're gonna have to try new skincare. We're gonna have to do that soon. And then, yes, I got the Triple Fix Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Now, this just came out not too long ago. And I believe they sent me the shade Banana, which, let me open it up. Yes, it's called Brilliance, and it is the banana powder. Here's how it comes. This way. All right, so now you see the LYS, and it is banana. You see that there? Dream. So I'm really, really excited to try that. Again, I heard a lot of good things, and I actually have not done my makeup yet this morning. So maybe I will use this in a trying new makeup today. Who knows? Next up is a PR package that I got from one of, I guess, the brand, whoever it is, their company that they work with. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Urban Decay. Oh my gosh. This is wonderful. This is the Urban Decay Face Bond. Wow, I didn't even realize this was coming. Look at this. So they gave me the Face Bond Triple Action Foundation. This is made with 3% niacinamide. It says it's a can't feel coverage, and it's waterproof with up to 24 hours of wear. Okay. Oh, and they show you all of the shade ranges here too. Isn't that beautiful? Wowee. So they gave me the shade 30, which is medium deep warm. Okay, here's what it looks like. Also sent me the color 33, which is deep neutral. So number 33, deep neutral, to try out. And then, of course, you know, this is the Allure Best of Beauty winner in 2023. This is their Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Setting Makeup Spray. It is lightweight, it's comfortable. It's one of the first ones that I ever used when I started using setting spray. And oh, they gave me one that I don't have already. So this is the Extra Glow All-Nighter. I love this so much. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. All right, I have something else. This is from Glow Skin Beauty. I've used a lot of their products in the past, but this is a Beta Clarity Pro 5 Liquid Exfoliant. Oh, wow. So here is the product. And let's read what it says. It says it is a gentle pro strength exfoliating treatment that smooths, clears, and brightens with a powerhouse mix of 5 acids and 10% concentration. This is a one-step exfoliant that not only clarifies, conditions, and redefines, but also boosts the efficacy of masks, serums, and professional treatments. Okay, you use this with clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area, and allow it to absorb, and don't rinse off. You use it 2 to 3 times a week. And of course, if any irritation occurs, just continue the use of it. But I'm excited. Sorry the box came out all beat up, but thank you, Glow Beauty. I love these. This is the Nassif MD Detox Pads. Again, this is going to help you with those pores. It is going to help with anyone with dry skin or normal skin or even combo like myself. You can use it on all skin types. It is said to be really hydrating and nourishing while unclogging your pores if you have any pore congestion. And I actually talked about that in a recent video about skin congestion and how you can tell if you have it. So I'm excited to try these detox pads as well. Oh my gosh. All right, babes, last one. And this is my subscription with the Ivy Storehouse. This is a subscription box called the Ivy Box. And this is what you can get as a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha. I believe this is the July box. Yep, July box. The theme is Precious Like Pearls. The theme of it is Precious Like Pearls. And it says, she is more precious than pearls. Nothing you want can compare with her. A powerful verse celebrates the immeasurable worth and unique beauty of a woman's spirit, wisdom, and character. And as women of Alpha Kappa Alpha, you embody the spirit, strength, and beauty that this sisterhood stands for. When we think about the journey of a pearl, it begins as a grain of sand and over time transforms into a jewel of extraordinary beauty through perseverance. Just like a pearl, our lives are filled with moments of change and growth. Every challenge you have overcome, every lesson you have learned, and every milestone you've achieved adds to the brilliance of who you are. You emerge from these experiences stronger, more radiant, and more inspiring, just like a pearl. You contribute to the legacy of sisterhood, scholarship, and service in your own unique way. And the collective strength is drawn in part from your individual power. Know that you bring a unique light to this sisterhood that cannot be replicated or replaced. Your beauty is intrinsic and your value is undeniable. Likewise, we hope you always remember just how precious you are. So, they said we will be glowing, and the first thing that we'll be glowing with is our pearl headband. And this is a thin headband. And it's wire. So I can put it on top of my braided bun. Is the pearl polo set. and it is green all the way around with pearls on the sleeves. Perfect to wear to a chapter meeting or any community service project you might be doing. And here are the shorts. And so the shorts have pink stripes along the bottom. Otherwise, it is all in green. And I could not be more excited because, as you know, babes, I love when they do this and they don't put too much white in it. I love the pearls, but I love the fact that it's just pink and green, the short set. So that is it. That is everything that I got in PR, as well as the item from Ivy Storehouse that I purchased. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, we're going to be doing a trying new products really soon. I think I want to do skincare first, and then we'll go into trying new makeup. But until next time, you have now been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.